Hi, welcome back. Another important tip, and it's already I have covered, but still I would like to show you one additional thing about user parameters. Okay, what's the topic today? How to find parameter ID and how to maintain in SAP SD or S4 HANA. If you take any module in the similar way, it will happen. Okay, let's get into the topic. So SU3 is the transaction code, and I will show you the path also. Okay. And with the help of with the SAP help, what parameter it is, we can able to find it out. Okay. We'll see on SAP system. And before going to SAP system, this is my YouTube channel. If you really wanted to learn more from real-time consultant, I'm happy. I have finished 10 plus years. Really wanted to learn something. You can comment, you can ask. I'll try to help you out. If you don't ask, it won't work. Please like my videos if you really wanted to do that. Okay. And apart from that, I'm having 4,127 students here. SAP SD, sales and distribution, I explained field by field. If you want pricing, you can get into this course. I'm 100% stressing every SD consultant must do this course actually. So I covered all standards. It is sufficient. Like, if you have that knowledge, you can compare where are the gaps and deviations to work on SAP SD pricing. Rebates, if you want, you can try this. And this is S4 HANA FSCM changes got moved, and I have few set of courses. If you are not introduced to real time, if you wanted to prepare business documents and don't ask any outside real time consultant, I am here. You try here. This course getting master to write functional specification, each and every section detailed how to gather a small requirement, how to write it. This is specifically useful for all modules. SD, MM, FI, PP, whatever the module you take, it is useful. Okay. And let's get into the another course which is important in my sense. I have given my efforts. Okay. I have given my 100% efforts to cover 5 scenarios. Okay. Purchase order creation, outbound, that is one scenario. From external system to our system, if it is coming, actually I have used the same client to explain the scenarios because I cannot able to get the real-time system to connect, but you can able to see the real practical. It will cover the scope 100% SAP level. So sales order acknowledgement and sales order creation, 3 scenarios and delivery and billing, like that 5 scenarios I have covered. In future, I will try to add probably related to pricing and of creation. That is more exciting me. So let's see in future and how we can able to take it better. All these courses, totally 19 courses available. I'm providing those links below of this video. If you really want it, you can give it a try. And let's get into the topic. Okay. So let's cancel this. Or else let's go to any other scenario session. So for example, if you wanted to find the parameter, first important thing, for example, if I put it F1 help, okay, you can go to the technical settings. I think you can able to view the right screen, right? Okay. So here you can see this parameter is VKO. This is the place where you remember this. This is the place where if any ABAP ask, if any you are not getting, you have an issue with the access. If you'd like to write an email for this parameter, the relevant transaction I'm missing. Okay. The similar way I will show you at a program level also certain times you require this. So now for example, F1, if you go to see order AAT, request for quotation AFT, AGT. So he has given some examples as the default values. So now let's try to go to the, so now see this AAT, this is for sales order, it is maintained. So because of certain programming thing, certain basis level you control, but you are not able to access certain document type to get open for creation, change and all those things. Let's go to SU3, okay. For example, /SU3. Okay, you can go to SU3. Here, this is the place called parameters. For example, this is, I'm deleting. Okay, where I have to delete it. So currently it's not allowing to delete it. Okay, here is the deletion button. Okay, let's save this. I'll show you one more time. So sales order is AAT and I will maintain as DR. This is order type. My debit memo I'm maintaining here. Let's save this. Okay. Now let's go to VA01. Okay. Let's give DR. In practice system, it will allow you. I'm not denying the fact that, but they have controlled SAP all means all transactions, whichever they wanted to give, that parameters only give. If you see the same section in SU3 in real time, you will have a huge list, or else, uh, the list will be shortlisted. Whichever you needed, that only they will give you. They don't give SAP all. SAP all means you can able to modify every object, SD, FF, every module, irrespective of any module. This is how you can able to do it. And another way, go to the system. You see this user profile and own data. So it will go to same transaction SU3, same transaction, right? What we have maintained. So you can take any parameter for that matters. Okay. So you can able to maintain. Generally, we'll get one support issue that I have shown you. If you don't have this access in my previous video, if you go to way back to my videos, here what do you have? Okay, this parameter it is not there. Okay, let's go to okay, here one attachment object will come. That you can check my previous video. I don't want to show you again. That also, if you want to, you can able to try here. System, user profile, and own data. You'll get that parameter. That parameter, if you maintain, the attachment button will be activated. You can check my links. So probably I'll go to this one. So attach. So you can see this how to attach sales document in S4 HANA 2020. Just this is I think I have done last January. I think it seems to be. So you can give a try. You can watch this video so that you'll come to know how to do this. This is important. You can learn with this one support issue. There is no doubt on that. So thank you so much. I'm just adding this video also here. My SD course, okay, which will be currently it is on ECC. How much it is? Transportation also I have done on basics. Actually, LE, if you want to give a try, certain times you will find difficulty in support projects, especially if you don't work dedicatedly on LE also. But it will give you a boost to get start LE by watching my course. After watching my course, and you have to do practice. That is more important. Don't blame me. See, we can show you the path. Being an instructor or else real-time consultant, we can show you the path. It's up to you how you pick the things. Don't try to judge me. There is no advantage for you. Judge yourself. Don't judge my courses. Judge yourself where you are. Try to learn yourself. What is the advantage with me if you judge me? Okay. So don't do that. And I'm sorry. If you really like this video, please like this. Okay. This actually I learned from one of my colleague. Never judge in our life anybody. Okay. I'll tell you that friend in future. So this SAP SD sales and distribution still mind is going, but I had to control it. So here I have added that particular this video also adding here 101 hours. Thank you so much. I wish you all the best. I wish have a bright career and tons of blessings from the God. Jai Bharat. All the best.